Wala naman mahirap pag gusto mo yung ginagawa mo. And the Grant a Wish project is it really hits my heart. Especially, special child yung kailangan nating tulungan. And kailangan bigyan sila ng oportunidad para mag-improve yung condition nila and for the long-term use na proper lang yung self-esteem nila.
Tuwang-tuwa talaga ako dahil natupad yung mga pangarap ko na si Noli makapag-uti. Tapos hingi niyang makapag-field trip daw. Hindi ko inasahan na dito rin. Masaya siya. Tuwang-tuwa siya nung pinasyal siya dun sa loob nitong Ocean Park. Malaking ko na umabot siya ng 1 year. Siyempre, yung pag-aaral din niya. Tapos binigyan kami ng pedicab para pag wala siyang pasok, pwede kami niyang ihatid, hindi kami maglakad na. Hindi ko nga inasahan na may dagdag pa. Nagpasalamat ako sa GCI sa binigay ninyo na tulong sa amin. Wala man akong maiganti sa inyo pero magsikap kami para makita ninyo na yung binigay nyo na tulong sa amin, may nakikita. Maging parehas din sa inyo na maging matulungin.
So now the JCI Manila leg is over. Firstly, I would like to thank my JCI Manila brothers, my committee, helping me, guide me to do this project. No? And ito lang wish ko kay Noli. Noli, sana makatapagtapos ka ng kolehiyo. Yan yung pinakahiling ko. Nandito kami, mga JCI Manila brothers mo, tumutulong sa'yo. So, hindi pa tapos ang Grant a Wish. Meron tayong isang JCI Sugbuana na leg, no? May isang bata na nangangailangan ng open heart surgery. Her name is Amber, na they need our support, all of our support, to raise funds for her open heart surgery.
Hi, I'm KU. I'm the project chairman for JCI Sugbuana's Grant a Wish project in 2016. Our beneficiary for the year is Amber Delania. She is a 5-year-old little girl with Down syndrome who has a hole in her heart. So this condition is called PDA, or patent ductus arteriosus, and the only solution for that is PDA ligation or PDA occlusion. So in short, that's heart surgery that she needs. So what we're trying to do with Grant a Wish this year is raise the funds to be able to give her the heart surgery that she needs. She is a very special little girl, not because of her condition, but because she is such a happy child and we want to give her a full chance at life. So hopefully you'll be able to join us doing this, giving her heart surgery.
Sana maasahan namin ang support at dasal nyo, katulad ng ginawa nyo kay Noli. Maraming salamat po.